So our topic is on variables. Variable is an identifier. It represents type of information. Variable means vary. It will be changed. Here you see variable value can be changed during the execution of a program. Here you see int a is 2. Int a is equal to 2. Here a is a variable. Type is integer type. You see here int a comma b comma c. This is the multiple declaration. We can declare only one variable also, no problem. But here I have used multiple variables. So this is the multi declaration of variables. If I use only single variable declaration of the data type int. Type is int. Type means data type. Okay. Here this int a, b, c, all these are used to store the information. So here this int a is the identifier. Identifier is the name of a type of variable. Variable name. Name is called identifier. So here variable is an identifier. It represents type of information. Which type? Integer, fixed number, float. Okay, floating values, fixed number and fractional numbers, decimal numbers, character, double. Okay, if I have floating values, okay, length value, then we use double. Okay, variable is an identifier. It represents type of information. Variable values can be changed during the execution of a program. We can change the value of the variable at any time during the execution time. Variables are used to store information or values of types. Here we can use different type of data type of values in the variables. Variables are named memory locations that have types such as integer, char and float. Okay, these are the different data types. Fixed number, integer, character, next float. If I have integer and fractional part of the number, integer and fractional part of the number, then that is called float value. Okay, double. If I want to store long value of integer and floating or fractional part of the value, okay, based on the length we use float or double. Next, variables, you see here, this is the syntax. Int a comma b comma c, multiple declaration. Okay, these a, b, c are the variables. Either you can use a, b, c or only a. If I use only single variable, only single value can be stored. So we can write int a or int a, int b, int c also. But at a time also we can write int a comma b comma c. Okay, next float p comma q. Multiple declaration of variables, or we can declare single variable also. Variables are declared either above to the main function or below to the main function. So if we declare above to the main function, they are called global variables. Global variables are declared above to the main function. Okay, local variables. If I declare the variables inside the main function, then we call they are local variables. So global variables are declared above to the main or outside of the main. If we declare the variables outside of the main, they are called global variables. Outside of the variable declaration. Inside of the variable declaration is called local variable. Any function, either a main function or any function, if we declare the variables inside the function, that is called local variable. So finally, variable is an identifier. Name, identifier is the name of the variable. Why we are calling variable? Vary. Vary means change. The value will be changed at any time. According to our requirement, we can change the value. So it is called variable. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share and subscribe.